After holding talks with Jammu and Kashmir-based parties, the centre has now invited parties and civil society members from Kargil and Ladakh for talks on July 1st. Former MPs and members of civil society have also been invited to the meeting, slated to be held on July 1st at 11 am to be chaired by Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy at his residence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday had chaired a 3.5-hour-long meeting with 14 political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir, including 4 former chief ministers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday reviewed the development plan for Ayodhya, which is being envisaged as a spiritual center, global tourism hub, and a sustainable smart city. He was informed by the Uttar Pradesh government officials about various upcoming and proposed infrastructure projects like airport, expansion of railway station, bus station, roads and highways to improve connectivity with Ayodhya. An upcoming greenfield township was discussed, which includes lodging facilities for devotees, space for ashrams, mutts, hotels, bhavans of various states. A tourist facilitation center, a world-class museum will also be built, according to an official statement by the Prime Minister's office. Trinamool Congress MP Mimi Chakraborty, who 4 days ago was tricked into taking a fake COVID vaccine shot by a man masquerading as an IAS officer, fell ill on Saturday, according to a report by the PTI. The report said the doctor who attended to Chakraborty, the Lok Sabha representative from Bengal's Jadavpur, said that it was too early to link her illness to the fake vaccine. Sources close to her family told PTI that Chakraborty suffered dehydration and stomachache and that her blood pressure had dipped. She is, however, in stable condition now, they added. The actress politician was previously diagnosed with gallbladder and liver-related ailments. Maharashtra has become the first state in the country to administer 3 crore vaccine doses against coronavirus. The state crossed this milestone at 2 p.m. on Friday, Dr. Pradeep Vyas, Additional Chief Secretary of Health, said. As many as 4,176 sites across the state conducted vaccinations on Friday, of which 3,661 were in government facilities, while 515 were in private ones. Vaccine doses were given to 4.8 lakh beneficiaries by the end of the day on Friday. However, today, the beneficiaries to whom the vaccine doses have been given have crossed the number of 7 lakh. Till date, as many as more than 3 crore 27,217 vaccine doses have been administered in the state, of which more than 2 crore 42 lakh 37,793 are first doses of the vaccine. A Brazilian congressman who has denounced alleged wrongdoing in a 1.6 billion reais, that is $323 million COVID-19 vaccine contract signed by Brazil's government, arrived at a Senate Commission inquiry on Friday wearing a bulletproof vest for safety. Congressman Luis Miranda and his brother Luis Ricardo Miranda, the whistleblower at the Health Ministry who raised suspicion about the vaccine deal with India's Bharat Biotech, are the key witnesses in a hearing underway on Friday. The parliamentary inquiry is looking into the government's handling of coronavirus pandemic that has killed more than 500,000 people in Brazil and accusations that it deliberately delayed securing vaccines to fight COVID-19.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.